Hi, Tracy Gritz here from theefficientoffice.com and Be Productive Academy. Have you ever gotten to work and then you realize you're in a funk, you just don't feel right, or it's just too crazy chaotic? And so what happens with that is that sets the tone for the entire rest of your day, which in effect is very unproductive. So today I'm going to share with you 5 ways to turn an unproductive day, an unproductive morning into a fantastically productive day. But the first thing you have to do is have the awareness. Okay, I'm in a funk, I'm out of sorts, I'm just all over the map, whatever it is. Once you have that realization, then you can put any of these 5 things into play and it will shift your day completely. So the first way to turn an unproductive day into a super productive day is to do one little thing, a little baby thing that will move the needle. So for example, instead of writing an entire blog article, just write the topic of some blog articles you might like to write. Or instead of calling 15 clients, write down the phone names and phone numbers of 3 clients you'll call within the next few days. Just do a little thing that's going to move the needle. Now what you're doing is you're actually moving forward baby little steps, and that eventually that starts to motivate you, have you feel good. Now you've shifted your day. The second thing is my stepdad would say to me, Tracy, a change is as good as a rest. This is very wise advice, because what it means is when we're doing something and we find again we're out of sorts, we're in a funk, things aren't working well, change it up. Because that gives us a rest from what we were doing so that we can then come back to it and be more focused and deliberate about it. So when you find you're feeling in a funk or any of those things, do one of many things. You can get outside, take a walk, separate from that environment, really changing it up. You can go somewhere else, read for 5 or 10 minutes, read an article, a book. I always keep a book in my office. You can sit quietly with a cup of tea and chillax. Just a few minutes, but those few minutes will really shift you so that when you go back to your office or to your work, you'll be able to recenter, refocus, and shift that day around. Now, a third way to turn an unproductive day into a very productive day is to meditate. I'm a big fan of meditation. I meditate Monday through Friday every morning, and it will really reset you as well. So meditation, you can do a breath meditation. You can use Calm, CALM.com, which is an app, and so is Headspace. Headspace is another meditation app. Just 5 to 10 minutes of meditation will completely shift you for the rest of the day. Now, a fourth way to turn that unproductive morning into a very productive day is to set a timer. Use a timer, have a project, and you can just have a 5-minute project, but set a timer, work on that project for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever it is, and now again, you're back to feeling good. You're back to feeling like, okay, I accomplished something. You're motivated. Now, my favorite timer to use is on my computer. It's called Moosti. Moosti, Moosti.com, and it's a fantastic timer. You will notice how you'll focus more when you use Moosti. And again, then it shifts you. You'll be like, woo, I'm a rock star. So Moosti, timer, you can do 5 minutes, 25 minutes, whatever works for you. And the fifth way to turn an unproductive morning into a productive day is to dance. On my iPhone, I have a playlist called Fun. And every song on it is wicked fun. I can turn it up or put my headset in and rock out, dance around, and boy, does that change the energy for me. Now, when I come back, again, 5-10 minutes, I can listen to 2 or 3 songs. And now, when I come back to my work, I'm feeling good again, right? Feeling great, I'm energized, I'm motivated. Boom, now I'm back, now I've shifted my day from sluggish, off, to feeling good. Those good feelings go a long way. So I'd love to hear from you. What can you do, or what will you do to turn your unproductive morning into a super productive day? And if you like this video and you have a friend who you think would benefit from it, I'd love it. Please pass it along. I appreciate the heck out of you, and I hope you are making it a productive day. Thanks again, and until next time, bye-bye.